Y'all best listen to Shades and smash that like button in the next 5 seconds. Shades Crazy Cash!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's happening. ONDS did not hold the trendline support. So if you guys watched my video from the day before, I told you guys, hey, I'm only adding a small little starter position. You don't want to go big and then it doesn't hold that trend line and then we tank. Well, that's exactly what happened. So took a small insignificant 3-cent loss. Nothing, no big deal. I only added 50 shares. Just to be cautious, right? I would have piled on if it started running, but it's not. What am I going to pile on to? The downside, I guess, but I'm not really someone who shorts. So, nines, I don't know if you want to buy nines. The reason you want to, right now the momentum is to the downside. We don't know how long this can keep going, right? This started way back last week, way back. This started last week and we're still continuing. It can go on for another week. Clearly, we're already halfway through the week and we're just dropping. We pumped a little bit just to go lower, but that doesn't mean it's the end of the world. That doesn't mean the stock, ONDS stock itself, that doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. Everything is coming down together, even Nvidia, even Palantir. Right now, well, as long as you're not holding a big bag, right? We're not holding no big bag on ONDS, right? We didn't buy the top. So that's why it's easy for us to smile and be like, hell yeah, come on down cheaper. If it doesn't hold 10s, we go to 7.5. You can see my cursor is right at that level where if it doesn't hold here, we're going to go to that purple line. That purple line is the 200 WMA. That is the average price. So when the stock comes down to the average price, that's when we want to buy, right? We don't want to pay a premium. We don't want to buy when it's above the purple line. And if we do, we have a stop loss because you don't know when the top is going to be in. You just don't. Anyone who says that is delusional. You can't know where the top or bottom is. Right now, nothing Trump says can send us up. So it's been long overdue that we tank like this. It is what it is. It's opportunity for us who missed out on the first pump to get in nice and cheap. The ones holding the bag, good luck. This is why you don't chase high, hoping it goes higher. You chase cheap. You chase when it tanks. You get excited when it tanks. Like, hell yeah, come on down. I want 50% off from highs, which would be about 7.5, I believe. So correct me if I am wrong. That is my perception of the markets. That's how I view things. I view things as, am I paying too much for a company or am I paying cheap, right? Am I getting a discount? Right now with everything tanking, of course you're getting big discounts. That's when you want to buy. The only people who hate stocks when they crash are the people holding bags. Think about that for a second. It's the people holding bags. It's the people who bought high. Those are the people that hate discounts. Because the more discounted, the more red, the bigger the hole in their portfolio. Whereas because we don't chase high, hoping it goes higher without a stop loss, we don't have that big hole. We don't got no hole in our portfolio that just keeps getting, deeper and deeper. We are not deep in the red. You have to love discounts and then sell it to the suckers who chase high, and then they hold the bag. You're either one or the other. You got to choose. Am I going to be the sucker who buys the top potentially? Or am I going to be the sucker who chases nice and cheap? Let it come down to the purple line. We don't know how long this is going to continue until we see buyers show up for ONDS stock or the stock market as a whole at this point. Because buyers are not showing up right now. They're dead. And you know what's funny? Yesterday it looked good. Like ONDS stock looked good yesterday. It closed at like 11, 30, 40. And I was like, damn, it's actually moving. Maybe I should pile on tomorrow. Well, I'm glad I waited. Imagine if I had piled on, I'd be deep in the red right now. I would have woken up and been like, oh my God, I just took like a $3,000 loss. This is why you add a starter position and not your whole size. So, I mean, I'm giving you the play by play. Like literally, I've been telling you I've been telling you my thought process from when people were telling me about ONDS at 15s. I was like, whoa, I'm not buying up there. Let it come down. Hey Shades, it's at the trend line. Yeah, it is. But the market looks kind of iffy, right? Bitcoin looks like it wants to tank. Metals just tanked. You know what? I'll buy a small little position. And now we're breaking down. Let's just wait and see how. You don't want to try and catch I don't understand that. Do you want to try and catch a falling knife? Go ahead. But the smart move is to just sit back, relax. Be thankful you're not holding a big bag like the suckers up there at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And just smile, hit that blunt, whatever you like, drink that alcohol. Let things come down. You will have the opportunity to make lots of money on the way back up, right? Right now, everything's dropping 10, 20%. Guess what? Eventually, we're going to go back up 10, 20%, and you're going to be kicking yourself for not buying when it's cheap. So let it come down. Let it come down until buyers. I'll let you know when I buy back in. I'll let you know because I'm watching it like a hawk. I've been this entire like past 3 hours that the market's been open. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna just keep an eye on this. See if we find a bottom today, or probably not. Looks like buyers aren't even gonna show up. So I don't know how ugly it's gonna get. Be safe out there, guys. Take it easy. And if you're holding a bag, don't ask me for advice. I can't help you on that. Like, what am I supposed to say? Hey, dump your bag. Like, hey, good luck on the bag. Like, what am I supposed to? I can't help you. You already screwed up. Take it as a. You better hope it comes back up for you. What do you want me to say? Good luck. Like, all right, guys, that's it for the ONDS video for today. I'll see you when this thing decides to find a bottom. Let's see where the market takes us.